So I just created this look with my new Anastasia Sultry palette, babes. Oh my god. And guys, can I just tell you, and guys, I just love it. This is actually my favorite Anastasia palette of ever. As soon as I got the box in the mail, even the box that it came in is so absolutely gorgeous, and it makes you feel amazing just holding it in your hand because it's so beautiful and it feels amazing. I don't even want to mess it up. I just want to put it like on display. It's so gorgeous. Oh, even the font, everything. Oh my god, guys. So I do have a giveaway for the Sultry palette and a whole bunch of good stuff on my monthly giveaway, so I'll link it below, but you just have to be subscribed to take part. So definitely subscribe to my channel for my monthly giveaways and for all kinds of good stuff. I also was able to get her new collection. She has a collection of mini lippies that came out. I think it's a holiday collection, or it came out with the Sultry. So I am wearing one of her lips today. It's a 3 set of mini lippies, and they are unbelievably gorgeous. She also came out with new glitters, loose glitters, so I did use that as well, and glitter glue, and I used everything today, guys, for this look. So if you'd like to see how I created this look today using all my new Anastasia goodies, then just keep watching. So first I'm starting with the color Bloom, and I'm just using a super fluffy brush, and I just could not believe how much I love this color. It's so gorgeous, creamy, pigmented. It had zero patchiness, and as you can see, it just blended like a dream. And so what I wound up doing is just dipping in, you know, different times just to build up the intensity, because I just love this color so much. And I think it would look gorgeous too on its own with like a black wing liner. I think that would look great. So then I'm going to take Fresh on another clean fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend just the edges of Bloom. So very, very lightly, very gently, just blend that edge, and then make circular motions and blend Fresh into the tear duct area. And Fresh is also just such a gorgeous color. It blended so beautifully. So now I'm taking Bloom again on a creased brush, and I'm just going to smudge that under my lower lashes. And then I'm just going to pack some more on my lid because I just loved it so much. And then again, just taking a clean fluffy brush and just blending your edges. So now I'm taking another fluffy brush, and I'm taking Dystopian, and that's just such a gorgeous, rich, chocolatey brown color. And I'm just going to tap it on the outer portion of my eye. And you just have to use a very, very small amount because it's a very intense color. So for this look, for what I was going for, I just felt like building up a little bit at a time was the best thing for me. So after I laid it down, though, I went right over it with Bloom on the other fluffy brush that I was using for Bloom earlier. And so I'm just making like a color blend where I'm just putting Bloom right over Dystopian and blending those two colors together. And Dystopian is super intense, like I said, so you want to make circular motions and just blend it really well. That's another reason why you want to use only a small amount, because it's super intense. So then I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape, and this is just an angled eyeliner brush, and eyebrow brush, and I'm just using that to carve out my crease, and then I'm going right over that with Pearl. And I just like to set the concealer right away so it doesn't crease. So I'm just going to carve out again on the other eye and then set it right away with Pearl, so there's no creasing, and so it doesn't get, you know, move all over your face, so it stays right in place. So I'm going to take Bloom again on another crease brush, and I'm just going to blend that in between Pearl and Dystopian so you get a nice gradient kind of ombre effect going on. And then I'm packing on some more Dystopian because for these kind of looks I like to build them up, so I'll repeat steps. And now I'm just taking an eyeliner brush and just bringing back our crease with Bloom again, and then packing on some more Fresh. So I like to just continuously repeat steps. So now I'm taking some Crystal Cave from the Anastasia. This is her new glitter, and I did put on some of my own glitter glue, and it looked really gorgeous in real life, but I'm going to use hers later on, you'll see. So now I'm taking Birch on a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to use that to blend out my lower lashes some more. And then I'm taking this new Lancome eyeliner. It's their new kohl eyeliner, and I really love it a lot. So I'm just going over my upper lashes, and now I'm taking some Inglot 77 gel liner, and I'm just going to line over that kohl liner. So now I'm taking my House of Lashes in Iconic, and this is the Lashes in a Box glue. And I gotta really say, guys, I've been having so much drama with lashes, but these are the best lashes for me ever. There's no lifting. They stay perfect all day. You're almost like guaranteed perfect lashes, easy and effortlessly. So now I'm taking my Anastasia Dream highlighting palette, and this is just some special spray that I put together, and it just makes your color super intense, so I love using it. And so I use that for my highlighter, and I also use it for my eyes too. So now I'm taking my Lancome mascara. I love this mascara so much. It's just unbelievable. And now I'm taking my Lancome eyeliner. So I more than love this eyeliner, and I actually think it's the best applicator brush. So even I'll dip into my gel liner, my Inglot gel liner, and use this as like my brush because it works so amazing. It's so precise. So I'm taking my Artis number 4 brush and some Kevyn Aucoin highlighting powder, and I just put that to highlight. So now I'm taking the Anastasia glitter glue, and babes, this stuff is so amazing. Truly, it made the glitter come out a million times more. Just so gorgeous. So it definitely makes a huge difference. And this is the glitter crystal cave. I don't know if I said that before, but this is her glitter crystal cave, and it was just absolutely gorgeous. It was even more beautiful in real life. And then this is the Anastasia Bittersweet, her new mini trio of lipsticks. And I just love this palette so much. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed seeing how I used my Sultry palette today. I can't wait to see your guys' looks, so definitely tag me in your looks. And it's just so much fun to come up with different color combinations and play with color, and so it's so much fun. So thanks again, guys, so much for coming to hang out with me today. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and let me know any looks that you'd like to see, any palettes that you're excited about. Let me know down below. So I love you guys so much, and definitely also follow me on Instagram. We have so much going on Instagram, pop-up giveaways and all kinds of good stuff. So guys, I love you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Love you.